Hey everyone, it's your buddy Crypto Profit back with another video. So if you guys like Chainlink, we are going to be covering today. If you're a Chainlink holder, definitely subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and like the video because we talk about Chainlink quite a bit on this channel. We continue to see some growth in Chainlink. We actually saw it go to 41.15 about May 3rd, 5 a.m. We did see this dip back down. We're under $40 again at that 39.65. Do remember, this is still great progress. We are at a $16.6 billion market cap. In the last week alone, we went up 25.04%. You're going to have dips when you're going up. Obviously, you kind of saw it here. We had a massive increase. We saw a dip right back down. Here we saw a nice gradual increase to 41.15. Now we're seeing it go back down. We will continue to see this upwards trend in the next couple months, in my opinion, with what Chainlink has really been doing. All these partnerships that are coming out. I mean, I would say at least 5 or 6 a day, it seems like. I see Chainlink having new partnerships announcements about their price feeds really being updated elsewhere as well. So we continue to see some growth with Chainlink. We're going to cover each and every partnership in the last 24 hours here in just a second, some being bigger than others. So stay tuned for that here in a second. Like I said, Chainlink is an Ethereum token, if you guys didn't know, that powers the Chainlink decentralized Oracle network. This network allows smart contracts on Ethereum to securely connect to external data sources, APIs, and payment systems. So this is a big deal. Obviously, Chainlink allowing Ethereum to really do things that it wouldn't be able to do without it. As Ethereum rises, Chainlink will continue to be more and more valued. I do want to take a look now at some of this news and information, and then we'll come back to the price charts and do some price predictions for May, June, and 2021. So stay tuned for that at the end of the video. Before we get started, I do want to say, guys, I am not a financial advisor, so always do your own research before investing, as this is not financial advice. So to start out, we have a platform for creating and trading NFTs backed by real-world items. We'll use Chainlink VRF to randomly distribute prizes to its pool of participants who bought t-shirts or select NFTs, ensuring winner selection is probably fair and tamper-proof. So this is just another integration of Chainlink VRF. It's great news to continue to see Chainlink grab, so many different partnerships, like I said, just so many. And I think this is just a matter of time before we see Chainlink really reach about $60 to $80. And I want to talk about our long-term future of predictions as well for Chainlink. So we'll continue to go on with our next one. So Chainlink VRF gives devs a tamper-proof RNG for building gaming dApps and dynamic NFTs that require unpredictable yet probably fair outcomes. Explore our intro to VRF docs and learn how to leverage a verifiable source of randomness in your smart contract app. Learn how to leverage. But yeah, this is a very big deal. Obviously, introducing Chainlink VRF, it talks more about it. I do think a lot more people and a lot more apps in general are going to start trying to really start leveraging this as a whole. As we move on to our next one, Chainlink's decentralized Oracle network support the growth of DeFi by securely bringing external data on chain. Easily integrate Chainlink's pre-built Waves/USD price feed to build a derivatives markets around Waves protocol. Native's asset already relied on bonded finance. So if you guys don't know much about Waves, let's quickly go to the price of Waves. 24-hour gainer, 40%, 33.42. This is insane. Obviously, after the announcement here, I'm assuming a lot of people were able to get in on a good level. 10:01 a.m. May 1st. If we take a look at May 1st, where were we at? Well, May 1st, we were at $22, around $22. So if anyone was, seeing this tweet, thought, they're using Chainlink, they're integrating at a great speed here, anything, really, any kind of big idea here. $22.50, you're now seeing a $33.42. In the last month alone, 150% price increase. But at the last week is where you see that 159% price increase, and price spike is really continuing with Waves. If we go back to the Chainlink price now, there we go. But let's go back to... Here it is. So yeah, this was a big deal, obviously, as we continue to see, like I said, Waves increase in price. We see the next one, Coinversation will utilize Chainlink price feeds to secure its synthetic asset issuance protocol. The integration is made seamless thanks to Substrate.io Oracle Palette that enables Polkadot ecosystem projects to easily access Chainlink's price feed. So just another partnership, really, just another usage case for Chainlink, which is just unbelievable how many we've been seeing in the past couple of days. This one was 8 a.m. today. So we continue to see Chainlink being really utilized all over the cryptoverse. And I do want to state, guys, there is a ton of these partnerships on Chainlink. If you guys don't follow Chainlink, I haven't been retweeting them out because I would be spamming your guys' feed with Chainlink updates and partnerships. So if you guys want to take a look at Chainlink, definitely follow them on Twitter, as well as you guys can follow me on Twitter. I try to retweet usually huge ordeals or big news or information. So also linked in the description, my Twitter, my Discord. You can jump into Discord, talk with crypto like-minded people like me and yourself. And then you can also use any of the exchange links below to really get a benefit on your well, if you haven't joined, Voyager, if you haven't joined Coinbase, if you haven't joined Binance.us, you get or Gate.io, you get some referral bonuses there. So it's a free way to make a little bit of money before maybe they take those away. I think they might take those away based on the mass adoption coming, or maybe they'll keep them or even make them higher. I don't know, but for the most part, they're there for you if you want to use them. If we go to the price now, let's give it a quick refresh, see where we're at. We are at a 39.73. 0.5% increase still. It's still looking pretty good. Let's go back to the website now, and then we'll jump back to price predictions for May, June, and 2021 here in just a second. So if you guys don't know, connect your smart contract to the outside world using Chainlink is definitely the way to go. Chainlink's decentralized Oracle network provides reliable tamper-proof inputs and outputs for complex smart contracts on any blockchain. If we go down a little more, they talk about highly secure and flexible infrastructure, as I put secure and flexible together there. Reliable tamper-proof network, seamless connection to any API, proven time-tested solutions, and transparent Oracle computation. So they talk about what is Chainlink, and we've talked about that quite a bit, so we won't talk much about that. But they do have a lot of guides about random number generation that we just saw, how to build a blockchain lottery, how to connect any API with Chainlink, and then building and using external adapters. So great guides that really explain how to use it. It's just, really Chainlink all around is a great coin to hold on to. I think investors are going to start realizing that as they get farther deeper into crypto in general. It seems like obviously every investor, starting out, probably you guys as well, starting out, you buy Bitcoin. Starting out, you buy, maybe you kind of venture out to Ethereum. Then you maybe venture out to, Litecoin or, BNB or, something of that nature. And then you pretty much at that point see that altcoins are the way to make decent money fast. And there's also altcoins that are up and coming. And if you predict the right one, you're making a lot of money. And then obviously from there, some people go to hidden gems. But for the most part, these huge investors are sticking with altcoins, and then they're also sticking with obviously things like Ethereum and Bitcoin. So Chainlink is one of those altcoins that is going to take benefits from new high investing investors. So that's going to be great to see. Another big thing that's coming for Chainlink, obviously you guys know about this. It was a big deal. This is one of those things I did obviously retweet and like, but introducing Chainlink 2.0, next steps in the evolution of decentralized Oracle networks, a 136-page second white paper which describes how hybrid smart contracts in DeFi and beyond will reach new heights by utilizing decentralized Oracle networks. So that is obviously coming. Chainlink 2.0 will definitely push this price up. And because of that, I do see a good price point for 2021. We do see it at $39.82 now, still trying to push back up. We are going to be talking about price predictions now. So starting with May, I do want to say, guys, I am a very, very conservative price predictor. I want to make sure these are honest price predictions, make sure that they are reasonable, realistic, because I hate those price predictions that a lot of YouTubers do or a lot of content creators. They like to say, 100x on everything, 15x on, in a week, it'll be 15x or 100x by the end of the year. Well, I hate to tell you, Chainlink is not doing a 100x. It has way too high of a market cap for that. Chainlink is going to be doing great things, and we're going to see great profits from it. But 39.82, we aren't going to see 100x from that, unfortunately. But I do think we are going to see, like I said, very, very good things. So starting with May, I think by the end of the month, we could definitely see a $50 price point. Chainlink is one of those coins that could definitely push past a $50 price point. But I think, if we could get to $50, a lot of people would be very, very happy with that. We see a 44.07 in the last month. That was probably one of our highest points. 44.38 is our all-time high, I believe. So we are seeing, potential to push past that. I think $50 by the end of May is definitely a price that we could see. By the end of June, I think we will easily have passed $60. I think we're going to be well on our way to $80 by the end of June. I think we're going to be pushing very, very quickly in June. By the end of May, it's honestly possible, $50 to $60. But, by the end of June, like I said, $80 is the price target. Going to the end of 2021, I think Chainlink easily could be a $200 to $300 coin. $200 is more of a reasonable spot for us. So I will say $200 is our price target for Chainlink by the end of 2021. And that's going to be my price predictions for Chainlink. Let me know in the comments if you guys agree or disagree with my price predictions. And as well, make sure to quickly like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on so you get notified every time we make a new video. Obviously, Chainlink holders, you guys are in a good spot. I think these coins are going to do very, very well. I think Chainlink itself, with these big new partnerships, as well as Chainlink 2.0 coming, it's looking very, very promising for Chainlink. So thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys all in the next one.